Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to talk about baselines. First of all, we will overview the baseline and then we will define project baseline. And after that, we will define primary baseline. And after that, we will move on Primavera P6 and we will learn how to assign and maintain baseline in our project. So let's start. A baseline is a copy or snapshot of a project data at a given time because a baseline is a static representation of project plan. It can be used as a benchmark against which to measure the performance as a project progress. You can create multiple baselines as needed to establish metrics throughout the project lifecycle. Typically, you would want to create an initial baseline once the project plan is approved. Then you can create additional baselines according to your organization's requirement. For example, you might create new baselines at specific reporting intervals. The maximum number of baseline you can create for a project is determined by your P6 administrator. Although many baselines can be created for a project at any given time, only two baselines can be used to display and compare data. One of these baseline is designed as a project baseline, the other is designed as a primary baseline. If no baseline has been created for a project, the current project data is also used as a baseline data. Project baseline. As the name implies, each project can have only one project baseline specified. Designating this single metric for the comparison enables all the members of the team to have a shared and consistent set of data against which to evaluate project progress. Any user who has required can choose the baseline to be used as a project baseline and can change the selection if necessary throughout the course of a project. All users who have access to the baseline page in the project section can see which baseline is currently being used as a project baseline. In P6, web access all pages that display summarize data display and compare data only against the project baseline. Example of pages that display project baseline include tabs in the portfolio section and project performance portfolios. So what is the primary baseline? The primary baseline features enables all the user who have access to baseline page to choose the baseline they want to use to evaluate the project progress. This flexibility enables you to choose and apply the baseline that best meet your specific needs for the project analysis. On P6 web access pages that display live data such as activity page, you can choose to display primary baseline data as well as project baseline data. In addition, for the live data displays, you can specify a project level setting that determines earned value data is calculated based on the current primary baseline or current project baseline. So now we will move on Primavera P6, and first of all we will learn how to maintain a baseline. So here we will click on project. Here is the maintain baseline. Here we will click. We will add new, save a copy of project, current project as a new baseline. Okay. So here baseline type, baseline name, baseline type. Here is the baseline type and we will select initial planning baseline. So we will close it, and now we are going to assign the baseline to our project. Here we will click on project. Here is the assign baseline option, and project baseline we will select primary baseline we are going to assign. User baseline, three types of the user baseline: primary, secondary and tertiary. So now we will okay. In bar chart, this is not showing our baseline, so here we will right click on it, bar, primary baseline, we will select. We can see here yellow, so here we apply and okay. Here we will can see, here we can see the yellow line, this is the our primary baseline. If we change the duration of any activity, here we can see the baseline would not be changed. So here we can see the baseline will remain the same for this. So this was all about the baselines, how to assign and maintain baseline in our project. Thank you.